Hi, so you're wondering how to buy a vehicle with bad credit. No problem. I'll be able to answer that. My name is Adriel Torres, and I'm the owner of UltimateCreditToday.com. Most people that need to buy a car and have bad credit are going to have a challenge, a bit of a tough time if you're going to, say, a Ford or Chevrolet dealer or big dealerships. What you need to do is you need to go to a smaller buy here, pay here, maybe a small chain in your town that deal with challenged individuals or people that have non-existing credit or bad credit. And most of those dealers are set up with secondary finance companies that deal strictly with people that have bad credit or non-existing credit, as opposed to the bigger dealerships, the big chains, the big Ford dealerships or the big Chevrolet dealerships. Go to a smaller buy here, pay here, and most of those will have secondary financing. That's exactly how you get a car loan with bad credit or non-existing credit. Again, my name is Adriel Torres, and I'm the owner of UltimateCreditToday.com. Thank you very much.